Complete silence now, dear reader. Page 237. Rima. Exercise 6.2, question 13. Put your pens down. A student in 12th standard commerce stream has to appear for exam in 7 subjects. It is necessary to pass in all the subjects to pass an exam. Means even if you are failed in single subject, you will fail overall. Certain minimum marks must be obtained to pass in a subject. In how many ways can student appearing for the exam, and then in how many ways can fail? Can student appearing in the exam fail? Now understand this. 7 subjects are there. We have done this kind of question yesterday. And you are asked, in how many ways can the student fail? So he will fail either if he fails in 1 subject, or in 2 subjects, or in 3 subjects, or in 4 subjects, or 5, or 6, or 7. Yesterday we did that friends question, 6 friends and invitation. Exactly similar to that. And I told you with shortcut also. What was that? 2 raised to n minus 1. So here 7 subjects means 2 raised to 7. 128 minus 1. Your answer should be 127. You can cross check that. Again, when can you do this shortcut? When you have 7C1 till 7C7, all the values addition. Which combinations you will have to perform here I am discussing, then you will start solving it. So clear and 7C1, 7C2, 7C3, 7C4, 7C5, 7C6 and 7C7. This we can directly say is equal to 7. This you will have to do, this you will have to do in the workings. What is 7 minus 4? So 7C4 value will be equal to 7C3. No need to do the workings for that. What is 7C5? 7 minus 5? So 7C5 will be equal to 7C2. No need to do the workings. 7C6, 7. Second note. NC1, NCN minus 1 both are N. And NCN is 1. Only 2 workings are needed. 7C2 and 7C3. And as I said, answer we already know should come 127. 2 raised to 7 minus 1. Is everyone clear with it? Now, the total number of ways in which a student can fail is shown below. Completed. 2 workings you have to show. Completed. Able to get 127? See here, your 7C2 is 21, 35, 35, 21. Anyone who does not get 21 and 35 wants me to show it on the board. Calculation of NCR. Formula of NCR is clear to every one of you? Okay, now look at question number 14. Clear in that? Again, I'll discuss it first, then you'll solve it. Now, calculations you all will be performing on your own. I'll just be making the tables on the board for all the questions. Okay? So, understand that, then only you'll start solving. In how many ways a hotel owner can a hotel owner subscribe 3 newspapers and 2 magazines from 8 different newspapers and 5 different magazines available in the city? We had a first sub question. There are 8 newspapers and 5 different magazines. And underline the word subscribe 3 and 2. Subscribe means select. We have to select 3 newspapers and 2 magazines. So how can it be done? 8C3 into 5C2. Okay? Any doubt with this? will have to solve. So write down the total number of ways of subscribing three newspapers and two magazines is shown as below. Vanchita 8C3 formula 8C3 how will we solve? 8 factorial upon 3 factorial 8 minus 3 factorial. Is everyone clear with it? And meet 5C2 5 factorial upon 2 factorial 5 minus 2 factorial. So 8 factorial into upon 3 factorial into 5 factorial and then 5 factorial upon 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 3 factorial. Did you understand this? Now Rima, how will we solve the first one? Yes, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 factorial. Silence. And Harshit?
5 into 4 into 3 factorial.
5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon?
2 into 1 into 3 factorial.
Stop talking. 2 into 1 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial cancel, 5 factorial cancel, 3 into 2, 6 cancel, 2 into 2, 4. 56 into 10, 5, 6. Any doubt in this? Now, second one, mark it important. Put your pens down. Again, I'll discuss it first. Do you remember yesterday that particular book question, the last thing we did? I told you if particular comes, then you divide in 2 parts. And there were 8 books, then we divided one particular book and 7 other books. Do you all remember this? Look at the next part of the question. And then if a particular newspaper is to be selected, so what will we do with 8 newspapers? One particular newspaper and 7 other newspapers. Any confusion with this? Further underline, a particular magazine is not to be selected. So even 5 magazines I will divide in 2 parts. What 2 parts? One particular magazine and 4 other magazines. Once again, when do you have to do this? Whenever the word particular comes, divided in 2 parts. Take particular separate and the rest separate. Now, how can you select this? Total we had to select how many newspapers? 3. One particular newspaper is to be selected. Means one we will select particular. And how many will remain to be selected? 2. That we will select from 7. Any confusion with this? Raise your hand. Okay, one particular newspaper is to be selected. Total we have to select how many newspapers? 3. One particular we will select, means 2 we will select from the remaining 7. Got it, everyone? And yes?
If a particular newspaper is to be selected and a particular magazine is not to be selected.
I'm coming to that point now. Now, particular magazine is not to be selected. So from here we will select none. Means both the magazines. 2 magazines. We will select from 4. Did everyone understand this? So, what will be the combinations? 1C1 into 7C2 into 4C2. So, you have to do calculations for 7C2 and 4C2. These both are done. Now, the total number of ways of selecting 3 newspapers and 2 magazines such that one particular newspaper is selected and a particular magazine is not selected is shown as below. Correct? 1 into 21 into 1 into 6. 126. Anyone who wants me to show 7C2S21 or 4C2S6, all are able to get it? Now look at exercise 6 section D. Page number 246. Last 2 questions we had already done 15 and 16 in the beginning with numericals itself, okay? Exercise 6.2's last 2 questions were already done in the beginning. Now exercise 6 section D, page 246. Put your pens down. Question 5. Understand it thoroughly first. 4 couples, husband and wife, attend a party. Okay, 4 husbands and 4 wives attend a party. In how many ways can unlike 2 persons be selected from 8 persons such that first option, 2 selected persons are husband and wife? Raise your hand. How can you select 2 persons such that they are husband and wife? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. No discussions in between. Mayur? 4C1 into 4C1. Okay, Romit? Same. Anyone with a different answer? Now understand the default and wrong thing in this answer. Be attentive. Understand this, okay? Harshit, come on the stage. Singh, come on the stage. Nisar, come on the stage. Bhakti, come on the stage. Then Salaj, Shreyas, come on the stage. And
Some boy.
Navdeep, come on the stage. And 3, na? 1 more. And Harmeet, come on the stage. Silence everyone. And Drashti, come on the stage. Now, yes, be attentive everyone. No, this is not the way you have to stand. I'll explain it. Now, please keep silence. Please keep silence. 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 Okay? Be attentive. Now suppose, just suppose, don't make fun of it. Suppose Nisar and Singh are husband and wife. Harshit and Bhakti are husband and wife. Harmeet and Navdeep are husband and wife. Shreyas and Drashti are husband and wife. Yes. Silence. And stop taking such kind of examples if you make so much of noise. So, the purpose is to understand the subject with fun. But that doesn't mean a lot of noise. So understand the things, okay? So we assume that Nisarg and Singh are husband and wife, Harshiv and Bhakti are husband and wife, Harmeet and Navdeep are husband and wife, Shreyas and Drashti are husband and wife. Now what answer you said, Mayur? 4C1 into 4C1 means from these four I select anyone. Suppose from these four I select Harmit. Harmit, you come in the center. And suppose from these four, let us say I select Singh. You again come close to Harmit. Now tell me, any one person you select from four males and any one female, are they necessarily husband and wife? No. Here, Harmit's wife. Now, Singh's husband. So 4C1 into 4C1, why is it wrong? Did you understand it? Now what I will do is, Rima, if I want that they should be husband and wife only, then I'll ask all the husbands and wife to hold hands and stand. Yes. Please do that fast. For some time. Silence. Now any husband cannot go with any other wife. Wife will hold the hand very tightly that he doesn't go anywhere else. So if I have to select, listen carefully, I have to select husband and wife only, then can I say I just need to select one couple from four couples? If I select any one couple randomly, say Harshiv and Bhakti, are they already husband and wife or not? Yes. Means I don't have to select 4C1 into 4C1. I need to select one couple from leave the hands now, okay? I just need to select one couple from four couples and automatically they are going to be husband and wife. Any confusion in this? So how can you do the selection of the first question? First one simply 4C1. Now look at the second question. Second question is asked one male, one female. There the answer will be 4C1 into 4C1. Any male means anyone's husband, anyone's wife will do. Did you all understand this? Take this. Now, let us solve the question. So everyone has understood the concept? Anyone who wants to explain it again? Now, I'll call you people only on this. First answer. Write down. Write down the total number of ways. The total number of ways of selecting two persons such that they are husband and wife is shown as below. So from 4 couples, I have to select 1 couple. All agree with this? And I hope you'll remember also now in exams. Complete this. Answer is 4. In fact, the 4 couples which were standing on the stage, that 4 is your answer. How many ways can I invite? 4 husbands and wife. 1 way is 1 couple, 2nd couple, 3rd couple and 4th couple. So the 4 couples which were standing on the stage, that 4 itself is your answer. Did everyone of you understand this? And second is that 4C1 into 4C1. So that on second question, the total number of ways of selecting 1 male and 1 female is shown as below. So from now, 4 males we have to select 1 male, and from 4 females we have to select 1 female. So what will be the combinations? 4C1 into 4C1. That is 4 into 4, 16. Yes, any confusions so far? Now, third one, raise your hand. How will we solve that? It's a very simple question. Answer is already obtained for the third one. If you read it carefully, you must be able to answer that. Raise your hand. One is a male and other is a female, but they are not husband and wife. Bhavya?
4C1 into 4C1.
No. 4C1 into 4C1, 16 will include 1 male and 1 female. In that, husbands and wife will also be included.
But couple.
Yes, but husband and wife and not husband, not wife, all the options are included. 1 male and 1 female when you are selecting, then you can have that male and female also which are husband and wife. So in this 16 options, husband and wife's 4 options are also included. We want they are male and female but not husband and wife. Dhruvi?
4C4.
4C4. Only one option. No? Robin?
4C1 into 4C3.
No. How 4C1 into 4C3?
1 way. 4C1 and 1 female. No appear at the 4.
So 1 male and 3 females is selected. 4 people are not invited. Silence everyone. Pramati?
4 into 4C2.
No. Listen everyone. Common sense, which is very uncommon. They are male and female but not husband and wife. 16 minus 4, 12. In total 16 ways they are male and female. Out of that, in 4 ways they are husband and wife. So in remaining 12 ways we'll get male and female but not husband and wife. Did you understand this or not? That's what I said in the beginning. Answer is already obtained. We just have to do second answer minus first. This 16 include these 4 also. All the alternative. What happened? Yes. Silence everyone. What happened? Silence. Stop laughing now. What happened? Yes? Yes? Loudly. Out of 16, in 4 options, they are husband and wife also included. So remaining 12 options, they will not be husband and wife. Did you understand this? So that is the third answer. The total number of ways of selecting 2 persons such that they are husband and wife. They are husband and wife, but not, sorry, they are male and female. They are male and female, but not husband and wife, is equal to, that is 16 minus 4, that is 12. Did you understand this? Second answer minus first answer. Any confusions in this? Now, look at question number 6. Now this I discuss it completely and you'll solve it, because it's a very simple question and I'll not make you participate it voluntarily but compulsorily. So listen carefully, I can ask it to anyone. It's a very simple question. And no one should prompt it, otherwise 6th question I'll give you 6 times to solve if anyone prompts it. There are 4 different books of statistics and 3 different books of economics on a table. In how many ways online can 2 books be selected? You have to select total 2 books, such that first option, both the books are of online same subject. Adarsh, we have done it yesterday. Both the books are of same subject. How can you do this? Correct, but directly we will do. Same means yesterday we did that flowers question, white flowers and pink flowers. I tell you same comes means you will write or. Okay, when will both the books be of same subject? Means either both are statistics or both are economics. So combinations will be 4C2 plus 3C2. That's it. Whenever the word same comes, it indicates or. And what will you do instead of multiplication? You will do addition. Keep it in mind, okay? Second, I am discussing all the 3, then you will solve it. Now in second option, 4 statistics, 3 economics. Nikhil, both the books are of different subjects. Silence. Who is prompting? Who wants to solve 6 times? You don't understand the English language? Do you all belong to English medium only? Yes, Nikhil. Both the books are of different subject. And you've done the homework also. Copy. Rima? Yes?
4C1, 3C1.
Yes, both the books are a different subject means what? One is statistics and one is economics. The simple thing is not clear. Okay? And what were you doing yesterday when we solved the questions? Both the books are of different subject means one is statistics and one is economics. Now and means you will multiply. Third option, 4 statistics, 3 economics. No book of economics is selected. Okay? Correct. No book of economics is selected means both the books are of statistics. So 4C2 into C. Did everyone understand this? With the language you'll be able to write it. The language pattern remains same. Do all the 3 options fast. Wherever required you'll do the calculations, and without it that it can be done, then directly you'll write it. 9 you are able to get. 4C2 is 6 and 3C2 is 3. So 6 plus 3, 9. 4 into 3, 12. And here you have done the calculation of 4C2, so no need to do it again. Directly you can write 6 into 1, 6. In the same question, if one calculation is done in exams, then no need to show that again. You can directly write its value. Okay? So this is 6 plus 3, 4 into 3, and 6 into 1. So all are clear with this? Who else is solving it? I hope everyone is writing the language. The language will be the total number of ways and so on. Then you take from the question itself. Next, Saturday you'll have the test of this chapter. Next Saturday. Tomorrow you have regular classes only. 3:30 to 5:45. Regular classes. Binomial expansion I'll be taking up. Next topic. Sunday there is no test. No classes on Sunday. Completed everyone? Now look at question number 7. Enough time is given, be attentive. Again, 7th question, all the 3 options I discuss it completely and then we'll start solving it. So put your pens down. For the first option, 3 dolls, 4 kitchen sets and 3 cars are displayed in a toy shop. In how many ways can underline 3 toys be selected? Such that you have to select 3 toys. Okay, first option, Shlok, all are dolls. Correct, all are dolls means 3 dolls and no kitchen sets and no cars. So 3C 3 into 4C, 0 into 3C, 0. Did everyone understand this? Now again 3 dolls, 4 kitchen sets and 3 cars. Second option, all are different toys. Vanchika, all are different toys. Yes, all are different toys means 1 doll and 1 kitchen set and 1 car. So all will be different and 3 will be selected means 3C1 into 4C1 into 3C1. Again 3 dolls, 4 kitchen sets, 3 cars. Last option it is asked, 2 are dolls and 1 is kitchen set. Shamita? Yes, 2 are dolls and 1 kitchen set means 0 cars. So 3C2 into 4C1 into 3C. Start solving. Who all are solving question 7 still? So look at question 8. Everyone has completed? Be attentive. Last question. A committee of committee. I told you committee, selection, invitation are the questions of combinations. And then committee of 3 members is to be formed. You have to select 3. From 4 chartered accountants and 5 doctors. From 4 chartered accountants and 5 doctors. Now the first sub question is, in how many ways the committee can be formed such that the chartered accountants are in majority? Bhavya? 2, 1. Mayur? 2, 1. Yes, sir? Or? So how chartered accountants are in majority? 4C1 and 5C2. Pravanti?
2, 1 or 3, 0.
Correct. Be attentive. First of all, remember this shortcut. You remember yesterday I told you at least comes, then what you will do? Start from that number and keep on increasing. At least means minimum, so keep on increasing. Majority means start with the number and keep on decreasing. Like for example, until they are in majority. Like, how many people are to be selected? 3. So if I select all the 3 chartered accountants, are they in majority or not? Now keep on decreasing the CAs until they are in majority. If I decrease the chartered accountant and increase the doctor, total 3 people are selected. But are CA in majority still? Yes. If I do it one more, then what will happen? 1 CA, 2 doctors. Will CA remain in majority? So only these alternatives are possible. Means you'll find this answer and you'll add this. Or means you will add. Workings you will show for none of them because 4C2 workings will only be required. Okay? Now see second question in the same manner. Doctors are in majority. So let's start with how many doctors? 3. 3 people are to be selected. 3 doctors means 0 chartered accountant. Then 2 doctors means 1 chartered accountant. Now cannot take 1 and 2. Now do one thing, write down 1/3 extra question. Because that is covered in illustration, but none of the exercise question. At the most third extra question. At the most, 2 doctors are selected. Understand this? Then you can start solving that. At the most, 2 doctors are selected. Yesterday I told you if it is at least, then start with that number and keep on increasing, because minimum. At most means maximum. At most 2 doctors means 2 or less the number of doctors. Less than equal to 2 doctors. So at least increasing, at most means start with that number and keep on decreasing. Start with 2 doctors. So how many CX? 1. Now keep on decreasing. 1 doctor, 0 doctor, 6. At the most 2 doctors are selected or not? So once again, if the word comes at least, start with the number, keep on increasing. If the word comes at most, start with the number, keep on decreasing. Did you understand this portion, everyone? In homework illustrations you'll have that. Okay? Complete this. Follow me. With the language. You'll have to do the workings for 4C2 and 5C3. That's it. 2 workings will be required, 4C2 and 5C3. What is 5 minus 2? 3. So 5C2 will be same as 5C3. No need of that workings. Okay? 2 workings are only to be shown. Rest you can directly write it. This 5 questions will be your homework. Okay?